I'm gonna show you how to change your name on Facebook. If this is your first time changing it, as you can see, I'm here on my page. But what you want to do is go over in this corner here by the question mark, hit that down arrow, and go to settings. And on the settings right here, you just change your name. And I'm gonna put senior behind mine because it's getting confused with my son's name. And you notice that when I hit the view changes, it won't allow me because I put special characters in there. You can put a period in there. So what I'm gonna do is take the comma out and just put the period. Then I'm gonna hit review. And it gives you a couple of options to choose from. I'm gonna click this one here at the top, which they already recommended it. So it's Glenn Lewis Sr. Now it asks for to enter your passcode and then hit the changes. As you can see, it's changed. So I'm gonna go back to my profile. It changed right there. So it changed immediately. So I'm gonna go through it again and go to settings. See, I'm gonna try to change it again. It won't allow you to change it again for the next 60 days. So you have to wait 60 days if you want to change it again. So make sure you make your corrections right the first time. And also you can revert to your previous name if you want to after 48 hours. So after 48 hours, you can do that. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.